Welcome to your journey of inner strength and unstoppable courage. This is a space of calm and energy, inviting you to connect deeply with yourself. Imagine every word spoken here is becoming your reality. I am strong and balanced. I am like a tall, sturdy tree with deep roots connected to Mother Earth. No matter where I am or what situation I find myself in, I remain strong and balanced. I am filled with courage, bathing in the river of inner strength. I am healing deeply. I am unstoppable. I am bathing in inner peace. I am guided by my intuition, my soul, and the universe. I am brimming with energy and always protected by my higher self. I breathe deeply, raising my mood and vibration. I am divine intelligence. I am love. I am harmony. I am complete. I open my heart to universal love. We are one family, and Mother Earth is our home. Every person, every place, and everything is connected through love. I belong to the universe. Whatever I experience in life, I am greater than all of it. I am part of something far larger than myself. I choose to show up in my life and honor the opportunity I have been given. I embrace change, for change is a natural part of life. The more I accept it, the easier it feels. I choose to live and discover solutions I've never even imagined, opening myself to positive outcomes. I am worthy of good things. I am willing to free myself from the chains of the past through forgiveness. I always find surprisingly good solutions to every challenge. My ability to overcome challenges is limitless, and my potential to succeed is infinite. I take pride in my uniqueness. I am the only me on this planet, and I honor that beautiful truth. I believe in myself and my ability to conquer challenges. I am an open channel for creative ideas. I stand up for myself with courage, and I am more than good enough. I choose to believe that everything happening right now is for my ultimate good. My thoughts about events and people create my emotions, and those emotions shape my life. I am the master of my thoughts and feelings. I allow myself to be fully in sync with life. Everything that happens has deeper meaning, and I choose to learn and be grateful for every experience. I am a soul in a human body, here to experience and awaken. Every word here resonates at the frequency of truth, and I am growing every day. I am grateful for this journey. Every step I take is guided by divine wisdom, love, and harmony. I choose to continue this path with courage and inner peace. I am strength, I am love, and I am light. I open my heart to embrace infinite possibilities. I am the creator of my life, and I know that everything that happens is for my highest good. With gratitude, I move forward,